In this video, we'll show you how to connect business info data to text widgets on your site. Let's start simple by connecting the hero text to data. Double-click the text widget and a toolbar will appear. Look closely, and you'll see an icon with two interlocked rings. This icon shows you that data from the content library can be connected to the element. Clicking the icon opens a panel where you can link the element to any data of the same type in the content library. The data selection dropdown is currently grayed out because we haven't added any data to the content library yet. So let's head over there and start by adding some data under Business Info. Business Info is where you'll store key details like a business's name, address, phone number, and other contact information that can be reused across the site. Go ahead and enter a business name. Now, when you visit the text box and click into the rings, we'll be able to select the business name that was just added. You'll also notice that once you've connected an element on the site to data, those two rings will appear above the widget, letting you know that the element is now connected to the data. Let's take a look at another example of how you can connect business info data to your site. This time, we're going to connect the button in the header to an email address in the content library. First, let's see what it looks like to edit a button when we're not connecting it to any data. We have the option to update the text that appears on the button as well as where we want to link the button to. When connecting the button, you'll be able to connect both the button text and its destination to data, but we first need to make sure that data exists in the content library. Let's head on over to Business Info to add an email address that we can connect to the button. For those of you who will be automating this workflow using the Duda API, the label you enter here is important. It acts as the key you'll map your data to later. So make sure it exactly matches the field name used in your integration. Now that the data is saved, we can head back to the editor to connect the button to it. You decide what fields to connect to, so it's fine to leave any fields blank or unconnected. Once it has been successfully connected, we should see those two rings indicating that the element has been connected to data. Remember, you're in full control of the data you push to the site. So whatever content you plan to send, make sure to set up some placeholder data and connect it to the right spots on the page.